Looking for a reliable SUV under $10,000 in the US? These 7 affordable SUVs combine durability, efficiency, and value. Let's dive in and find the perfect ride for your budget right now. 1. 2014 Mazda CX-5. Starting with the 2014 Mazda CX-5, a compact SUV that's widely praised for its sporty handling and impressive fuel economy. The CX-5 comes equipped with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that delivers 184 horsepower, striking a perfect balance between power and efficiency. On average, you can find this model in the US market for around $9,149. When it comes to fuel consumption, the CX-5 achieves an estimated 26 miles per gallon in city driving and 35 miles per gallon on the highway, which is excellent for its class. Maintenance costs remain reasonable due to Mazda's reliability, with average annual service expenses hovering near $500, including oil changes, brake pads, and regular inspections. Insurance premiums typically fall into the moderate range, approximately $1,200 annually, depending on your location and driving record. Tax rates vary by state, but expect to pay around 6 to 8% of the vehicle's value annually. Inside, the CX-5 offers a spacious cabin with premium materials and intuitive technology, including a touchscreen infotainment system compatible with smartphone integration. Safety is robust, with features such as stability control, multiple airbags, and a strong crash test rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, making it an excellent choice for safety-conscious buyers. 2. 2012 Honda CR-V. Next, the 2012 Honda CR-V is a solid option famed for its practicality and exceptional reliability. It sports a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 185 horsepower, providing sufficient power for both city and highway driving. The average purchase price sits at approximately $8,900 in the used car market across the United States. Fuel economy stands at roughly 23 miles per gallon in urban settings and 31 miles per gallon on highways, making it economical for daily commutes. The maintenance expenses are notably affordable, with annual costs estimated between $400 and $600, covering routine repairs like brake servicing and tire rotations. Insurance costs average around $1,100 per year but can vary based on driver profile. State taxes generally align with a 6 to 7% bracket of the vehicle's market value. The CR-V's interior is highly functional, offering spacious seating for 5 adults, ample cargo space exceeding 39 cubic feet with seats up, and easy-to-clean materials. Standard safety features include anti-lock brakes, vehicle stability assist, and an array of airbags, all contributing to its 5-star safety ratings in many states. If you prioritize longevity and low ownership costs, this CR-V model stands as a dependable contender. 3. 2011 Toyota RAV4. The 2011 Toyota RAV4 is another top pick for buyers seeking versatility combined with Toyota's legendary reliability. Under the hood is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine delivering 179 horsepower, which offers smooth acceleration and adequate towing capacity for light trailers. This model generally sells for close to $9,000 on the US market, making it a strong value proposition. Fuel efficiency is approximately 22 miles per gallon city and 28 miles per gallon highway, slightly less than some competitors but balanced by Toyota's low maintenance costs. Average yearly maintenance runs between $400 and $550, including common replacements like spark plugs, brake pads, and fluid changes. Insurance premiums tend to be moderate, around $1,100 to $1,300 annually, while state vehicle taxes vary but hover around 6% of the vehicle's value. The interior layout is practical, with up to 70 cubic feet of cargo space when rear seats fold flat, and comfortable seating for 5. Safety is well covered with electronic stability control, traction control, and multiple airbags, contributing to good crash test results. Overall, the 2011 RAV4 is a rugged, long-lasting SUV that suits families and adventure seekers alike. 4. 2013 Ford Escape. The 2013 Ford Escape offers a compelling mix of modern technology and efficient performance. Powered by a 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine, it produces 178 horsepower, delivering peppy acceleration and good fuel economy. You can find this model at an average price of $8,500 across the United States. Fuel consumption averages about 23 miles per gallon city and 33 miles per gallon highway, which makes it one of the more fuel-efficient options on this list. Maintenance costs are moderate, with annual servicing around $500 to $600, including turbocharger system checks which add some complexity. Insurance tends to be reasonable, roughly $1,200 per year, while taxes vary by region but generally reflect about 6 to 7% of the purchase price. Inside, the Escape boasts an updated infotainment system, Ford's SYNC technology, Bluetooth connectivity, and comfortable seating for 5 passengers. Safety features include anti-lock brakes, stability control, multiple airbags, and good crash test ratings, making it a tech-forward choice without breaking your budget. 5. 2012 Subaru Forester. Known for its excellent all-wheel drive system, the 2012 Subaru Forester is a top pick for buyers living in regions with challenging weather conditions. Equipped with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine generating 170 horsepower, it handles slippery roads and light off-road terrain with confidence. The market price averages around $8,700. Fuel economy is decent, with estimates of 21 miles per gallon in city driving and 27 miles per gallon on highways, which is reasonable given its all-wheel drive capability. Maintenance costs are somewhat higher due to the complexity of the AWD system, averaging between $500 and $600 per year. Insurance premiums are typically moderate, averaging around $1,100 annually. Taxes depend on state regulations but generally fall near 6 to 8% of the vehicle's value. Inside, the Forester offers a roomy cabin with durable materials, a straightforward dashboard layout, and seating for 5. Safety ratings are impressive, with anti-lock brakes, traction control, and comprehensive airbag coverage. This SUV is ideal for those prioritizing safety and performance in adverse conditions. 6. 2013 Hyundai Tucson. The 2013 Hyundai Tucson combines style, comfort, and efficiency in one affordable package. Its 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine produces 165 horsepower, delivering smooth and reliable power for everyday driving. Market prices average approximately $8,300, making it accessible for budget-conscious buyers. Fuel economy is rated at about 23 miles per gallon city and 31 miles per gallon highway, which is competitive in its segment. Maintenance costs tend to be on the lower side, typically around $400 annually, aided by Hyundai's solid warranty coverage on many used models. Insurance costs are reasonable, about $1,000 per year depending on your driving history. Vehicle taxes vary by state but generally range from 5 to 7% of the vehicle's assessed value. The Tucson's interior is stylishly designed with modern amenities such as Bluetooth and an easy-to-use infotainment system, along with comfortable seating and adequate cargo space. Safety features include anti-lock brakes, electronic stability control, and multiple airbags, earning it solid safety scores. This model is a smart choice for buyers wanting a balance of aesthetics and practicality. 7. 2012 Chevrolet Equinox. Finally, the 2012 Chevrolet Equinox delivers a comfortable ride with a roomy interior, perfect for families or those needing extra space. It features a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine with 182 horsepower, offering steady and smooth acceleration. The average price point is around $8,000 on the used car market. Fuel economy is roughly 22 miles per gallon city and 32 miles per gallon highway, balancing performance and economy. Maintenance costs are moderate, with expected yearly expenses of approximately $500, covering routine checks and brake maintenance. Insurance premiums generally fall near $1,100 annually, while taxes vary but typically hover around 6 to 7%. The Equinox interior is spacious, comfortably seating 5 adults, and provides ample cargo room with flexible rear seat configurations. Standard safety equipment includes anti-lock brakes, stability control, and multiple airbags, contributing to high safety ratings. This SUV is a reliable and practical option for buyers needing comfort without sacrificing efficiency. If you found this deep dive useful, please subscribe to our channel for more detailed vehicle reviews and buyer guides. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends who are on the hunt for a great SUV deal under $10,000. To sum it up, all 7 SUVs offer remarkable value under $10,000, but if you want the best mix of fuel efficiency, reliability, and overall ownership cost, the 2014 Mazda CX-5 leads the pack. Its blend of sporty performance, safety features, and low maintenance make it a standout choice. However, if you live in an area with harsh weather, the 2012 Subaru Forester's all-wheel drive system might be more practical. For those seeking modern tech features and affordability, the 2013 Ford Escape is worth a look. Ultimately, consider your priorities, whether it's fuel economy, cargo space, or maintenance costs, and pick the SUV that fits your lifestyle and budget best. Thanks for watching and happy SUV hunting.